I have so much chocolate and stuff in my bag. Hi, I'm Tracy Anderson, and this is my locker room lookbook for Well+Good. After I work out, I wash my face. I use Dr. Bernstein. He's like brilliant. The exfoliating and hydrating cleanser is my favorite, but this gem right here, you'll all thank me for this. His PM Intensive Focused Repair Lotion. For me, it feels like I'm 42 and it feels like it turns back the clock for me. It stings a little bit, but I also use this tiny thing on my body too. So I go through this like crazy. So I have my Sonicare with me all of the time, and my toothpastes, PERFUMERA, and David's, so these two are my favorite. This is by a really famous makeup artist, HIRSH. I wear this all the time. This Perfuma CURANDERA, I can't pronounce anything. I'm from Indiana, I'm sorry. This concealer by Tarte, one of my makeup artists, just miraculously covered any spots on my face, and I was like, what did you just use? And this was it, but I usually use RMS number 33 concealer, which is organic, which I'm really passionate about. But this little thing does really work. I love these lip tints. They're just these little like tinted like balms. And I will actually use a darker color or something like this as like a lip liner. I used to be obsessed with lip liner, and now I kind of, it's one of those things like the tanning bed for me, where I look back and I'm like, what was I thinking? That was not a good look. I do really love Karen Weiss's like little like tint blushes. But I'll even, and this little one that's Embrace, I'll even put in the middle of my lips. And I'm also paranoid about ever being anywhere where I don't have food or water. I carry these organic chocolates with me. They're amazing, called Raiz the Bar. I'm obsessed with Matt's Munchies. I also love my own organic bars, so the cherry pie is my favorite of mine. And that is what's in my bag, but look, seriously, no joke, look at how much chocolate I have in my bag.